Welcome to the truth for today. They threw me in prison for a crime I didn't commit. I spent 6 months behind bars only to be released because they had no evidence. They tried to erase me, to ruin my name, to take everything I had. But I'm still here. 6 years ago, my ex and her mother spread lies about me on Facebook. They called me a criminal, a gambling addict, and even claimed I kidnapped my own son and demanded ransom for his return. The truth? My son was in my care. There was no court order at the time. The money they say I was demanding was actually my deposit refund from a real estate agency. Money that was rightfully mine, which she stole. And why did this all start? Because I caught her cheating. We eventually went to court, got a visitation order and tried to co-parent. For a while things were fine, but fast forward to today. I was kicked out of my cousin's house because I dared to call out his cult-like church. I told him, instead of serving a church on Sundays, why not spend time with your 2 sons and your wife? His 13-year-old boy is a gaming addict, completely withdrawn from the world, desperate for his father's attention. For speaking the truth, I was thrown out. Now, I have no home, no job, no support. I've been blacklisted because of the defamatory posts my ex refuses to take down. My own family and even my girlfriend of 5 years turned their backs on me. And now, I live in a rundown house with no water, no electricity, and barely any food. I get by with whatever I can. Why I'm making this video? I'm making these videos because I have nothing left to lose, but everything to say. YouTube might take time to pay, but I don't care. I'm doing this to expose the truth, to wake people up, to fight back against the system that tried to destroy me. But let's be honest. This is how people end up taking their own lives. And I won't lie to you. I'm closer to that edge than you think. The only way out, but here's the thing. They want me silenced. They want me to disappear. They want me to give up. And I won't. I refuse to let them win. That's why I need your help. If my story resonates with you, if you've ever been lied about, betrayed, abandoned, or broken, then I need you to stand with me. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment below, not just for me, but because someone out there needs to hear this. They tried to destroy me, but I'm still here, and as long as I am, I will keep fighting.